2025's color of the year is here, and it's taking the design world by storm. So meet the Mocha Mousse. Pantone 17-12-30. It's rich, velvety, and comforting, just like your favorite cup of coffee. But don't you be fooled. This isn't just brown. This is a brown that's ready to elevate your custom apparel to luxurious new heights. Stay tuned, because we're about to show you how to make this cozy hue the MVP of your merch game. Mocha Mousse is more than a color, it's a vibe. Think of sipping a perfectly crafted latte on a crisp morning. Pantone describes this elevating brown as aspirational and luxurious. Translation, it's warm, versatile, and it's just begging to be on your custom merch. All right, quick pause. Need help bringing your custom merch to life? Real Thread has you covered. Whether it's company swag or event apparel, we make it easy to create high-quality, stylish pieces that people actually want to wear. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter and follow us on social media to stay up to date on exclusive deals and discounts throughout the year. Who doesn't love a good deal on custom apparel? So imagine this shade paired with a bold white text, just like you see here, or maybe a vibrant emerald design, or maybe you're thinking something a little more subtle, something on the sleeve, you know, a sleeve print, maybe your logo. It's the perfect way to sophistication.
Wait, what?
It's the perfect way to add some sophistication to any piece. Let's set the scene. A warm Mocha Mousse hoodie paired with a striking emerald green design. It's bold, confident, and undeniably chic. Or maybe you're going for an understated elegance, a white logo on a Mocha Mousse tee with matching accents on hats and accessories. And here's the secret sauce, combining it with complementary hues like mustard yellow or terracotta adds that extra layer of sophistication. Whatever your vibe, this color knows how to play the part. Time to make it yours. All right, let's get really real for a sec. Great merch is more than just about looking good. It's about creating an experience. Mocha Mousse is timeless and versatile. We've already touched on that. But it also makes a statement without even trying. Pair it with a dramatic contrast like navy or emerald, or maybe soft complements like blush pink, maybe even sky blue. The possibilities are pretty endless. So what do you think? Is Mocha Mousse the color of the year for your brand's merch? Let us know in the comments below, and while you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips, inspiration, and of course, exclusive deals that we're going to be running throughout the year. Let's make 2025 the year your merch stands out.